Namaskar and welcome back to the Bengal's Kitchen. I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to give you a little challenge. Can you find a person who is not fascinated about Fuchka, Golgappa or Pani Puri, whatever you call it in your city? Well, tough, right? Honestly, everybody loves crunchy Fuchkas filled up with spicy mashed potatoes and dipped into salty tamarind water. Well, I'm already craving for it now. Do you see the I button up there? Just hit on that and you'll find my recipe on making Fuchka. I'm pretty much sure after watching that recipe, you will definitely be a pro in Fuchka making. But just for now, keep these usual Fuchkas aside and concentrate on the other Fuchkas available around us, like Dahi Phuchka, Sev Phuchka, chocolate Phuchka, even Phuchka with aloo dum, because it's always amazing to experiment with your taste just like your recipes. Do let me know how many types of Phuchka have you tried till date and what was your experience. Today what I'm going to do is I'll try to make a Phuchka with Italian flavors. Let's call it Pizza Fuchka. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you do so, please give us a thumbs up. If you are new to this channel or haven't subscribed our channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe it and hit the bell icon for the instant notification so you never miss a video from our channel. And please do share it with your friends, family and well-wishers. If you want to connect with me or if you want to talk to me, our social media links are given in the description. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye-bye.